students, or we can, it's not good morning, it's good afternoon. Good afternoon, students. Our next topic is functions of RTOS. Function of RTOS, that is function of real-time operating system. Okay. So in this we will see first function of RTOS is task management. Task management. फर्स्ट फंक्शन ऑफ RTOS इज टास्क मैनेजमेंट. ठीक है, तो इसमें फर्स्ट हम इसका सब टॉपिक देखेंगे. टास्क मैनेजमेंट में टास्क ऑब्जेक्ट, टास्क ऑब्जेक्ट. Okay, so what do you mean by task object? In RTOS, the application is decomposed into the small schedulable and sequential program units known as task. What do you mean by task? Task क्या होता है? In RTOS, the application is decomposed into small schedulable and sequential program units known as task. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? टास्क. ओके, सो बाय so each task may exist in the following states. by diagram में कहीं इसकी states देखेंगे. विचार दें कौन कौन सी इसकी states है. Time management, task done by RTOS. ठीक है, so these are the several steps of this task management, that is dormant, ready, active, suspended, pending. Okay, Okay, so what happened in dormant? Dormant में क्या होता है? Task does not require computer time. Computer time. In dormant, it does not require any computer time. That is the dormant state. Then second one is, or next one is ready. It task is ready to go to active state waiting processor time. ठीक है? Third one is active. Third one is active. Task is running. Task is running. Fourth one is suspended. Task put on hold temporarily. इसमें suspended में क्या होता है? Task को temporarily hold किया जाता है. And last one is task waiting for resource. Task waiting for resource. Waiting means टास्क क्या कर रहा है? वेटिंग फॉर रिसोर्स के लिए वेट कर रहा है. इन दिस ने टास्क इज वेटिंग फॉर द रिसोर्सेस. ओके, दिस इज द. देन सेकंड वन इज टास्क कंट्रोल ब्लॉक. टास्क कंट्रोल ब्लॉक. सेकंड फंक्शन ऑफ RTOS is in task management. Second sub unit is task management, task control block. Task control block. Task uses TCBs to remember it. Constant TCBs are data structure residing in RAM, accessible only by RTOS. Okay, so in task control block there are task stack and task routine. This task stack, that is task stack and task routine. Task stack and task routine. This resides in RAM, accessible by stack pointer, and this task routine program code residing in ROM. Program code residing in ROM. Okay, this is the task management. In task next function is function of RTOS is next function of RTOS is scheduler. Next function of RTOS is scheduler. The scheduler keeps record of the state of each task and select from among them that they are ready to execute and allow the CPU to one of them. Various types of algorithms are used in RTOS. Various types of algorithm. Scheduler, क्या होता है scheduler? For example, scheduler, its name indicates that scheduler keeps record of the state of each task and select from among them that they are ready to execute. Number of tasks होती है, उनमें से एक सिलेक्ट करता है and that is given to the CPU. Given to the CPU of the computer. This is the function of this scheduler. Okay. So in scheduler there are old loop system with interrupts. Old loop system with interrupts. Okay, so and third one is round robin. First one is full loop. Second one is full loop with interrupts, full loop with interrupts, and third one is round robin. Round robin. So what happens in full loop? Sequentially determines your specific task required time. What happened in full loop with interrupts? In addition to pulling, it takes care of critical tasks. And what happened in round robin? Round robin sequences from task to task, each task getting a slice of time. Each task getting a slice of time. Then one is next one is hybrid system. Hybrid system sensitive interrupts with round robin system working in background. Okay, these are the functions of RTOS. Next one is dispatcher. Next one is dispatcher. The dispatcher gives control of the CPU to the task selected by the scheduler by performing content switching and changes the flow of execution. Changes the flow of execution. Okay. These are the functions of dispatcher. Is the another function of this RTOS. Again, it's having scheduling, preemptive scheduling, non-preemptive scheduling, okay. In scheduling, there is in dispatcher, first subtopic is scheduling, second one is preemptive scheduling, and third one is non-preemptive scheduling. The scheduler keeps record of the state of each task and selects from among them that are ready to execute and allow the CPU to follow them. Then preemptive scheduling. This type of scheduling is used when system response is important. इसमें system का जो importance होता है, system का जो response होता है, importance होता है, उस वहाँ पर एक preemptive scheduling यूज किया जाता है. Third one is non-preemptive scheduling is also called as cooperative multitasking and require that the tasks cooperate with each other to share the CPU. Okay, this is the dispatcher, and these are the functions of this RTOS. Function of the RTOS.